Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphila. Menze ngicela kuwe-ke laphana ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha kuleli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke cindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje akubiza imali kumahhala nje ukheshi nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uthole zonke-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke ezenzakalayo kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. So ongakwenza-ke lapho ucindezele ibhathini nje usubscribe nje akubiza imali kumahhala nje ukheshi nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke udaba ukulethele lona namhlanje nithi-ke sekuvele-ke laphana-ke umlungu-ke laphana-ke wavele-ke wenza okungalindelekile-ke laphana-ke ephatha-ke igama le-MK-ke nele-ANC egqugquzela ukuthi-ke abantu-ke abavotele-ke i-MK-ke kodwa ngifuna ukuthi mina wezwa ngami nje kuphela into engizoyenza nje ngizokudlalela ividiyo yakhe lo mlungu uzizwele wena-ke ngawakho amadlelo sicela kuwe laphana ukuthi masizwile-ke le vidiyo le uhambe-ke ungene ema-comment section ufike ushiye umbono wakho-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke msicinzane ibhasi nje usubscribe nje kubiza imali kumahhala nje ukheshi nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Black people of South Africa, we need a revolution. And you are the only hope for South Africa to bring that revolution. The days of the ANC are numbered. The days of the EFF are numbered. And definitely the days of the DA are numbered. They have outdone themselves. It's over. The only man that can bring that change is Jacob Zuma. When you go to the polls, you vote Jacob Zuma. When you tell your friend, it's Jacob Zuma. When you tell your parents, we need to bring Jacob Zuma back, because Cyril Ramaphosa have stolen the presidency of Jacob Zuma. And so we need to bring him back. We need to bring Jacob back to the forefront. And you are only hope to South Africa. Black man, black woman, to bring that change. We are waiting on you. We are hoping for you. We are praying that you all vote for Jacob Zuma.